Welcome, nature enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to witness an epic battle between two of the most fascinating predators of the sea, dolphins and sharks. While these two animals are often depicted as enemies in movies and pop culture, their relationship in the wild is much more complex. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of these creatures and discover what happens when they encounter each other in the underwater realm. From the intense competition for food to the awe-inspiring displays of speed and agility, get ready to witness the ultimate showdown between these ocean giants. So let's jump in and discover the truth behind the dolphins vs sharks, the epic underwater battle. You might not know it, but there are other creatures in the ocean besides dolphins and sharks. And just like those two animals, these others have been around for millions of years. In fact, many of them look like their prehistoric predecessors, the same way that dolphins do. The most common animal in this group is called a whale shark, Rhynchodon typus. It has been around since before dinosaurs existed on Earth, possibly even before mammals appeared. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. And while they're not quite as popular as some other types of sharks, like great whites, they certainly have their place within our ecosystem too, especially when you consider how rare these kinds of creatures can become over time due to human activities such as fishing practices, which cause pollution, among other factors, affecting marine life populations worldwide today. Dolphins are the most common and well-known of all ocean animals. But what about the other side of the coin? Dolphins are the most common and well-known of all ocean animals. But what about the other side of the coin? Sharks may be one of the most recognizable creatures that live in and around our oceans, but they're not alone. There are plenty of other creatures out there who share their homes with sharks and dolphins alike. Here's a look at some other amazing animals you can find swimming around your local waters. Sharks are also considered to be amazing creatures, but they're not the only creatures that live in and around the ocean. Sharks are also considered to be amazing creatures, but they're not the only creatures that live in and around the ocean. There are many other creatures that live in the ocean, including whales, dolphins, jellyfish, and so much more. The oceans are full of life. Dolphins have been spotted playing with sharks. These two species have been around for millions of years, and both have adapted to their environment and prey on a number of other animals. These two species have been around for millions of years, and both have adapted to their environment and prey on a number of other animals. Dolphins are well known for their intelligence, swimming abilities and ability to communicate with each other over long distances. They live in the ocean around the world's shallow coastal waters, where they hunt for fish, squid, or other marine life, like octopus. Dolphins can also dive very deep underwater using specialized lungs called slurries. These slurry chambers allow them to breathe underwater without having to come up for air like humans do by taking breaths through our nose while we swim underwater. Sharks' teeth grow continuously throughout their lifetime and can reach up to 3 inches in length, while the teeth of a dolphin's mouth grow very slowly. In comparison to a dolphin, the shark's teeth grow continuously throughout its lifetime and can reach up to 3 inches in length. The teeth of a dolphin's mouth grow very slowly. Dolphins have smaller eyes and brains than sharks, which allows them to see better underwater, while also being able to hear better through echolocation, the ability to make sound with their bodies. Sharks' bodies are larger than dolphins, making it easier for them to move around in water without having trouble breathing or moving quickly enough for an attack. In addition, because sharks have more gill slits than dolphins do, which allow gases like oxygen into the bloodstream, they need less energy to swim at top speeds compared with smaller animals such as fish or seals who rely on lungs rather than gills. When it comes to hunting opportunities, dolphins' vision is far superior to that of sharks. Thanks to their large eyes, sharks have eyes that are only half as large again as those of their prey. When it comes to hunting opportunities, dolphins' vision is far superior to that of sharks thanks to their large eyes. Sharks have eyes that are only half as large again as those of their prey. Dolphins' eyes are larger than sharks, so they can see more clearly underwater. Sharks and dolphins both have an important role in maintaining our ocean's balance, so let's support them both. Sharks and dolphins are both important to the ocean ecosystem, so let's support them both. Both species have been around for millions of years. They've adapted to their environment and they're both social creatures. Sharks live in groups. Dolphins do too. Dolphins are very social animals who spend time together, swimming and interacting with each other. They also have a very distinct way of communicating with each other. They use sound waves underwater instead of words or signs, like us humans. Dolphins also use echolocation as an extra sense like bats do when they fly close together over water looking for prey items below. That means that if something is out there in front where you can't see it yet, then all you need do is adjust your position slightly away from where others were, standing before moving forward again until something happens which enables them all at once, upon hearing what sounds like food being detected by one particular person going after another person's favorite meal item, not knowing exactly what type might be lurking beneath such depths beyond where anyone else could reach without risking injury due solely upon fear alone. Conclusion. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of an epic underwater battle, but let's not forget that these two species have a very important role to play. Sharks and dolphins both help maintain our ocean's balance by eating other fish, which helps keep their own populations at bay. Dolphins also eat algae, which cleans up pollution in rivers and coastal waters. Both species can be found throughout the world's oceans. If you're looking for another adventure this summer, then why not check one out?